Hello and welcome back to Lock Lab 101. What we're going to talk about today is we're going to talk about picking tubular locks. So there's a lot of different tools out there to pick tubular locks, tubular lock picks, and they're not all the same. So I'm going to go over a couple of them. So this is a China made one, and so when these used to ship, you used to have the indexing rod in here, like this one here. I actually put that one in, but they don't ship with those anymore. Another issue with these is these bands don't create enough friction. So when you set it up and you go in to pick the tubular lock, all it does is pushes these pins back. So they look really nice, but they don't work very well. Here's a HPC. This one's pretty good. This is a seven pin tubular lock pick. This one works pretty good. Here's another one, and once again, the friction on these just doesn't have enough friction to work very well. And yeah, these just don't work very well, is from what I found. The best ones that I found were, I'm sure there's better ones out there, but for me, in my opinion, this works the best, the SouthOrd. And here's a 7-pin pick, and here's a 9-pin pick. So there's 9 of these little fingers. Being stiff enough so that when you insert it into the lock and twists, create tension, and then it will push these fingers back and impression the pin codes in there. Okay, too much friction and they don't move. Too little friction and the pins just push the pins back, the fingers back. So so let's do this. I'm going to push those up so you see that they're all extended, and then I'm going to go ahead and set them. So now you can see that they're all at the same height, and I have the indexing pin, indexing rod there, and that's the indexing rod is obviously going to go right here. And as I insert it into the lock, I'm not only putting in pressure inside towards the pins, but I'm also rotating it, okay, a little bit at the same time. Okay, so you can see this doesn't move here. So what I'm going to do is, you see here's the indexing pin. I'm going to line it with the gap on the lock right here. And then as I push in, I'm going to be rotating it. And it's that simple. Okay, so now I come back here, I pull it out, I can increase my tension, and then I have a ready-made lock. Or sorry, ready-made key. All right, thank you.